Hey guys, I'm Wanda and welcome to Crazy Days. Today I'm part of a collaboration on healthy holiday snacks. And this is started by 4 kids in a farm. And there's going to be links in the description to their channels and other channels in the collab. And we'll mention those later. But I'm in the greenhouse. So what am I making? What kind of healthy snacks can I make from the greenhouse? Okay, first we're going to start with some onions. Now, Danny just planted these real bulb onions, healthy looking onions, but he would have a fit if I got his onions. And look at the beans. Aren't they gorgeous? So I can't get Danny's onions, but my peas are doing really good. My tomatoes are doing good. Danny planted these onions, but look at here. These are onion chives. We planted these last year in Danny's greenhouse, and for whatever reason they just did not do anything. They wouldn't grow, and I want little tiny onions. I don't want big ones. I'll show you. I have some big onions that I could get, but I want green onions. And so these chop up really small and fine for what we're going to be making today for a healthy holiday snack. Instead of eating all kinds of junk food, 4 kids in a farm wanted to encourage everyone, let's eat healthy. Share snacks that you make that are better for you than buying store-bought stuff. So I'm going to take in a few more of these green onions. We're going to harvest a few back here. You can see the difference. Let me show you here. You see the dark compared to the light? All this is new growth. I'm taking the darker ones. I can pinch them off. You see the difference? I'm taking the darker ones instead of the light new growth, because the darker ones eventually will do this. They'll fall over and dry up. So we're going to take a few of them and we're going to let the rest go. But these are onion chives, guys. Now my yellow wax beans are doing good. The cold almost got these on the back on both sides, but they're still producing. I still need to be picking beans. I can see them in there everywhere. But we'll come back to that. The cold almost got this. This is the squash. And look, they're just going to dry up. I don't think I'm going to get any squash, but this one got a little bit of size to it. It's just not very big yet. I'm leaving it to see if it won't make it. And then we have tomatoes over here. This tomato is almost a turn. And look at the big tomatoes in the bottom down there. Just awesome in December, guys. This is awesome. The potatoes, the kale. I came in and took some of the kale out and made kale chips. Kale chips, another healthy snack that you can make for your family. And you see all along here, these beans are still looking reasonable. Some of them got a little cold, but look at the beans. Look at the bigger beans. I just got to come pick beans. These are the Egyptian walking onions. And you guys see these. They're just huge, big leaves. These are bigger than what I would want in my snack that I'm making. Or I could just add a lot of this. I mean, I could put it in the food processor, I guess, but it makes mush out of it instead of what I want. So we're going to be dicing my other onions. But these are gorgeous. They're doing good. I mean, look at the stalks to that. I'm hoping they're going to kind of walk over. And these I can chop and freeze for cooking with. These are the Egyptian walking onions. I'm going to take this handful of onion chives in. We're going to chop these up. And I think that'll be enough for what I'm making. We'll see. If not, we'll come steal some more. It's my greenhouse. All right, guys, we're in here in the pantry. And I'm going to take some of this. This is ham that I canned. It is in chunks. This is the most amazing thing you've ever tasted for ham salads. But we're not making ham salad. All right, we have all our ingredients. This is it. Cream cheese, ham, and onions. I'm going to be mixing this together, and this makes the most amazing dip you've ever tasted. You can use your own crackers or that you've made, or you can buy specialty type crackers in any way, shape, or form to dip with this, but it is an amazing dip. First thing I did is I took about maybe 8 ounces of cream cheese, and the block I had was cream cheese that I had bought back when all this shutdown stuff started. And I just take it and use what I need when I need it. And you see how that's doing? You don't want those big pieces like was in my Egyptian walking onions. You want these little thin chive onions, and it makes such a better dip. Isn't that gorgeous? And I wish y'all could smell the onions. Smell amazing. And we're going to get them all chopped up. Even the tops. That is, now, you just incorporate the onions really good. And already it smells great. Every year for Christmas I did this, and I bought the crackers, the fancy little Ritz cracker, I don't remember, Townhouse brand maybe or something. And my kids could eat this in about 5 minutes flat. They love it. Now, all right, this ham was done in May of this year. And I still have a couple of hams out in the freezer that I need to do something with. I've got to get them out and process them. But I put the ham in here. I drained it and used the juice. You can use the juice from your ham for making beans. It's great adding it to your red beans and rice or anything like that. Any type of beans. The ham juice is great for seasoning anything, guys. You put it in whatever you want to make. Rice, oh, be awesome. But I drained that, and what I did, this may be too much, I'm not sure if I need the whole thing. I'm going to go by feel on how much of this I need, but I just shred it really, really well. Now we're going to incorporate some of the ham in there. I'm going to add about that much and see what that looks like. Oh yeah. And you just work that into your cream cheese. You can use chicken or anything like that you want. And if you use chicken, you might flavor it with some seasoning like taco seasoning or anything that you want to add to make a dip. Your canned chicken would work great in this. But I'm just telling you, the ham, the green onions, the cream cheese. And this is what it's looking like. You can shape it into a cheese ball, anything like that, but we're going to try it on crackers. I haven't made any crackers lately, and I've got saltine crackers that I like to eat with my chili or soup. So today we're just going to eat it on a saltine cracker. But I have a recipe in my cookbook for some amazing crackers that you can make at home, which would be very healthy for you. This dip, which is cream cheese, onions, and ham, is very healthy for you. You can make the homemade crackers, or you can buy the specialty crackers. Take it to different events that you have. You can, if you have family coming to your house, you can make this. You can double it, triple it, quadruple it, whatever you need for the amount of people that you have coming. And it tastes wonderful. I can just sit and eat it with a spoon. I mean, it's really that good. The green onions make it. Something about ham and green onions together is perfect. My kids love this as a appetizer for any kind of Christmas get together we had or anything like that. So healthy holiday treats or snacks or foods is what we're all about. 4 Kids in the Farm, check out their link. Okay, so other participants in this collab besides 4 Kids in the Farm who started it is Suburban Homesteader WY, I guess Wyoming, I'm going to say Wyoming. Healthy Homestead Chick, The Max, Raisin Ronies, myself, and 4 Kids in the Farm. And if anybody else has jumped in at last minute, they'll be down in the links below. And they're all, the videos should be up today. So check out these all in the links. I'm going to stick a playlist up here if 4 Kids in the Farm get it all in one playlist, so that people coming back and seeing this in the future will have a playlist to go to see all the participants. So have a healthy, safe holidays, eat healthy, and try all the snacks because they should be better for you than eating candy and junk food and stuff like that. So thank you guys from Crazy Days.